In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on Wix. This feature is a great way to engage your audience and give your website that extra touch of interactivity. So let's dive right in and see how you can effortlessly implement this effect on your site. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the editor's main screen where you can begin customizing your website. Next, look around the editor and locate the panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Add Elements. This is where you can access a variety of features to enhance your site. Click on this option to explore what Wix has to offer. Once you're in the Add Elements section, you'll want to locate the Box option. Boxes are great containers for different types of content and effects, including the hover effect we're aiming to create. So go ahead and click on Box. After that, search for the Hover Boxes option within the Box menu. Hover boxes are specifically designed to allow elements to interact when hovered over, making them perfect for what we need. Click on hover boxes and browse through the available designs. Now choose from any of the hover box options presented to you. Remember, you can always customize these boxes further by changing images and text to match your site's theme. It's as simple as clicking on a box design that catches your eye and then modifying it according to your preferences. Once you've selected a hover box, it's time to adjust its hover settings. Click on Hover to access more specific customization options. This is where you can inject your personality and corporate branding into the effect. The next step is crucial. Click on Choose Effect to explore a selection of predefined hover effects. Here, you can scroll through various animations and find one that best fits your vision. Take your time to explore and select what works best for your site. After choosing the desired effect, you'll see an option to customize it. Click on Customize to make the final tweaks to your hover effect. This step allows you to fine-tune the animation, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your overall design vision. Once you're satisfied with your customization, it's time to exit out of the customization menu. Click on the X button to close the customization interface, ensuring that all your changes are saved. Finally, let's see the effect in action. Click on Preview in the editor to view your site as if you were a visitor. This is your chance to marvel at the newly added image zoom hover effect and ensure everything is running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added an image zoom hover effect to your Wix website. With this engaging feature, your website will have a fresh, dynamic interface that's sure to impress visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your Wix site.